Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy YouTube channel. Have you ever wanted to try making silver jewelry, but weren't quite sure where to begin? Well, our silver ring kit set is made just for beginners. No experience needed at all. With this kit, you can create your very own silver ring at home. All you need is a gas stove. Here's everything you'll find inside the kit. A simple, step-by-step instruction guide. 5 grams of silver clay. A ring box, great for storing or gifting your finished piece. 2 sanding sponges. A polishing stick. A set of thickness boards in 1 mm, 1.5 mm, and 2 mm. 2 strips of liner paper and 2 parchment sheets for the ring core. An agate burnisher for gentle polishing. A copper wire brush to remove the white oxidation layer after firing. A U-shaped acrylic pressing board. A silver polishing cloth. 2 coarse sandpapers and 2 fine ones. A tool pack containing 2 clay sculpting tools, 1 large and 1 small, a pair of tweezers, a carving knife, a metal file, a needle crafting pen for fine detail and engraving, and 2 brushes, 1 large and 1 small. 3 gemstones with a mini container. A wooden sanding block. A reusable ceramic ring core, in your selected size. A rolling pin. A sturdy work base plate. And a sintering mesh for firing your piece. This kit is perfect whether you're crafting solo, enjoying time with a friend, or looking for a creative, meaningful gift idea. It's simple, relaxing, and super fun, and it's the easiest way to start your silver clay journey. You can find the silver ring kit set on our Etsy shop. Just search for Pure Silver Joy. Thanks so much for watching, and happy crafting!